When Samsung launched the Galaxy Z Fold 5, many consumers were disappointed by the modifications from its predecessor. Some have even dubbed it the Z Fold 4S, and I can understand why. The only visible changes to the design are a redesigned hinge and a brighter display. The Z Fold 5 is not an evolutionary upgrade, but the gains, particularly in key smartphone elements, are significant owing to a significant hardware overhaul. I'll get back to it later, but here's why the Z Fold 5 is leagues ahead of competitors like Google's Pixel Fold. One of the main reasons people purchase foldables is to have a huge screen experience in a tiny screen form factor. But what's the point of having a huge screen if the apps are this bad? To determine the magnitude of the problem, PhoneBuff checked the top 100 apps on the Play Store to see how many scaled correctly on the inner screen, and interestingly, the Z Fold 5 scaled all of the 100 apps perfectly, while the Pixel Fold only scaled 45. Pixel Fold is fresh new, and Google will require time, maybe years, to optimize all of the key apps, which will be difficult given its wide aspect ratio. And when Samsung's CEO said that the aspect ratio of the Z Fold 5 is excellent, he was most likely referring to this. By the way, if you're interested in the Z Fold 5 or any of the other gadgets announced during the event, here's an incredible deal. Samsung is providing an extra 15% off with the $270 education discount. That's $320 in immediate credit. In addition, you'll get up to $1,000 in trade-in credit for a free storage upgrade, as well as $150 off the 1TB model. What's more crazy is that if you trade in your Flip 4, you can receive the Z Flip 5 for free. Furthermore, Samsung will give you an additional $50, which you may spend to purchase their accessories. The S23 Ultra, like the Z Fold 5, lacks substantial upgrades, but one key update, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU for Galaxy, makes it the largest upgrade in years. Not only has the phone's performance improved dramatically, but so have the battery life, camera, and thermal heat management. That is also the case with the Z Fold 5. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.